Most everyone loves pasta. It is such a comfort food. Thankfully, there are lots of healthy choices available nowadays. Hooray for that. Woohoo! One of the most improved areas in the grocery store is the pasta aisle. Remember, traditional pasta is made from white flour, which you know is a great white hazard and not great for you. The healthy pastas, in contrast, are made from whole grains and or beans.
Delicious.
The benefits of choosing healthy pastas are that you are getting lots more fiber and plant-based protein. Both are fantastic for weight control and health. In contrast to traditional white pasta, which is low in fiber and protein. Thanks to its robust dose of fiber, healthy pastas are great for a healthy gut microbiome, and because they are less processed, they also typically have more vitamins and minerals. Bottom line, given their taste, their texture, and health value, it is a no-brainer to choose the healthy pastas. Choose the ones you enjoy. I encourage you to experiment and taste test for yourself. Just remember, the healthiest ones are those with the most fiber and protein. So look for that. Look around on the nutrition facts label and compare. Although palates can, of course, vary from one person to another, my palate loves the Explore Cuisine brand of bean-based pastas. There are several different shapes and bean varieties that are offered. Check them out. I also love and highly recommend soba noodles. Soba noodles are a classic in Asian cuisine and are made from buckwheat, a great for you gluten-free whole grain. Soba noodles have become a personal favorite and what I'm featuring in a scrumptious one-dish meal, courtesy of my daughter Lucy, which I'm going to show you how to make in this video. By the way, this is a wonderful summer salad that uses various raw, crunchy veggies tossed in a delicious peanut sauce. It's great for dinner, but it's really tasty as leftovers for lunch. So you get a 2-for-1 there. And you can replace the peanut butter that it calls for with almond butter or cashew butter, or, you know, if perhaps there are allergies or something else. This sauce is delicious as a dip also for veggies, a condiment for grilled chicken or tofu, or drizzled on top of rice bowls. So when you make it, double it because you're going to want more of it available for later in the week, okay? Ingredients for the peanut sauce include 1.5 tablespoons roughly chopped fresh ginger root, yum, 1 large clove garlic, peeled, 1/4 cup peanut butter or nut butter of choice, 1 orange juiced, 1 lime juiced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, sugar is fine in a pinch, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, also often called toasted sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of water, salt to taste, a splash of hot sauce, which is optional. For the salad, here are our ingredients. 8 ounces dry pasta noodles. You can use bean noodles, brown rice noodles, soba noodles, 1 red bell pepper cut into strips, 2 large carrots shredded, 2 cups thinly sliced purple or Napa cabbage, 2 green onions, white and green parts chopped, 1/3 cup chopped cilantro is optional, some people hate it, 1/3 cup toasted peanuts, and salt and pepper to taste. So how do you do it? In a small blender or a food processor, you're going to combine all the ingredients that we listed off for the sauce. You're going to blend those until they're smooth. You're going to taste it to see if you want to add some salt if necessary. Then cook the noodles according to packaged instructions and let them cool. Meanwhile, chop your veggies. Once the noodles are cool, toss them with the vegetables and peanut sauce in a large bowl. Serve with a side of peanuts and cilantro sprinkled on top, or have people just add them as they like. And there's some great variations. I mentioned some earlier. This same dish works well in the wintertime. However, I like to cook the veggies and serve it warm. Instead of tossing in raw veggies, try sauteing them in 2 tablespoons of olive oil or sesame oil, then mix with the warm noodles and drizzle on the sauce. So enjoy, it's yummy.